Hello my friends, it's a new day, new Quick 9 tournament. Today we have the Portello Cove course. Of course, as always, below this video in description you have the link for that course, and on that link you have too many videos for every hole, too many different solutions and ideas for every hole. So because of that can help you, please follow that link below this video, and I just can say you good luck, all the best, too many perfect shots, perfect scores, and see you on some new videos. Bye bye my friends.